Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be cooking one of my favorite comfort holiday side dishes. They go really good with like some type of salty side dish as well, but for now I'm just gonna make this dish. And yeah, if you're interested in how to make some really good candied yams, then I would say about 1.5 to 2 pounds of sweet potatoes. Candied yams, obviously we know they're sweet potatoes. So sweet potatoes, I already peeled them with my peeler, and we're about to cut them up into like bite-sized pieces. I don't really want the big slice pieces. I want like bite-sized pieces. And just if you want to like get things started and try to make this like quick type of side to make, I already have the oven preheated to 400 degrees. So it'll be ready when we put them in. All right, so we're gonna cut them like lengthwise and then dice them. Okay, so now that I have these like little medallion type of shapes, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like fourth them. So cut them in half. There you go. Cut them in half, and then cut them in half again. So I have these like kind of quarter-like shapes, and put them in my bowl to just kind of prep. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll work on my sauce. All right, so I got the sweet potatoes, or yams, whatever you wanna call it. They're all chopped up in like these nice little quarter type of shapes. Now I'm gonna work on the sauce, and then we're gonna put them in the oven. All right, so I got a stick of butter here because we're gonna make a good amount of potatoes, so like don't be alarmed. Stick of butter. Okay. Just like let that melt and stuff. Let that melt. So butter's like kind of melting. So we're gonna do a 1/2 cup of brown sugar and a 1/2 cup of regular sugar. Okay. Hey Blaze. Hey Big Teddy. How you been? You been neglecting me, huh? Mr. Gas said it, hey. Okay, so we got the brown sugar, white sugar, good. Now remember, chemistry, you know, we gotta keep the temperature going good. So now I'm gonna add some nice cold orange juice to it. Squirt it on me. Okay. Orange zest to it. Alright, so we have our bowl of sweet potatoes. I'm gonna put them into the bowl. Alright, so we have and just pour it over our sweet potatoes. And I mix up this sauce with the potatoes. As long as they're pretty much coated before they go in, then it's good. Because you don't want to have some roasted potatoes and then some like super soggy. So we have it at a 400-degree oven. We have it covered with foil. I'm gonna place it in oven. And first we're gonna cook it for 30 minutes, covered with the foil. There we go. So we just took the sweet potatoes out of the oven after 30 minutes. Mind you, 30 minutes because we're not done yet. We're not done. So I'm gonna take off this foil. Woo! Steaming. You know I like some steam. We'll just mix this around a little bit. See this steam and sauce. Yum, yum, yum. Joseph, what you talking about? Hold on, I gotta take a second to read all this. Pretty much almost done. The only thing, this is sauce drip, but I also want to move it around. So they're almost done, but now we're going to put them uncovered. That way we get a little bit more of a like a cooked type of feel to them. back in the oven. And we're gonna do this time for 20 minutes. Right? Yeah. So they've cooled down a little bit. Let's take a little taste test because I got some spice going on here. Good. Yum. So good.